Hello everyone, my name is Juan Felipe Lopera. I am 38 years old. I live in a small municipality in the north of Antioquia Cailet, Entre Rios. I am a student of technology in animal production. My group is 90002_13. I want to share my experience of traveling to the coffee region. I was in that beautiful region last year visiting several natural wonders, the Nevado del Ruiz in Manizales, hot springs in Risaralda, and Parque del Café in Quindío. The adventure lasted 4 days. Daily we went for a walk and enjoyed the weather. In the region, the climate is colder in the mornings and hot in the afternoons. Sometimes it rained. We never had an electrical storm, and even hot or cold weather, the temperature was always very pleasant. Once we visited the coffee park, and sometimes we bathed in hot springs. I always recommend visiting the coffee region. It is a very beautiful region for its landscapes, the kindness of its people, variety of food, contact with nature and cheap accommodation offers. Thank you.